Arkansas Annovi Reverberi AR390SS Electric Pressure Washer Review 2019. Arkansas Blue Clean Power Washers have 50 years of pump building experience through the Annovi Reverberi brand. The 390SS is an upgraded version of Arkansas Blue Clean's popular 390 model. The 390SS model generates an amazing 2000 psi, up to 30 times as much pressure as a typical garden hose, while reducing water consumption by over 80%. For normal high-pressure cleaning, attach the 25-degree green nozzle tip for a fan sprayer, the 0-degree red nozzle tip for a concentrated pencil point high-pressure spray. For tough jobs, attach the rotary turbo nozzle to increase the effective pressure spray up to 50%. The low-pressure spray soap, black, nozzle tip automatically activates the detergent tank for easy detergent application with the spray gun. This power washer is much quieter, lighter and easier to use than a standard gasoline pressure washer and is certified by CSA International for safety. The Arkansas Blue Clean 390SS 2000 psi electric power washer is perfect for medium to heavy-duty residential cleaning projects with superior results. Experience the Arkansas difference. You will be glad you did. Pump material, aluminum. 14 amp 1.6 HP universal motor and triaxial pump delivering 2000 psi 1.4 GPM. Pro style spray gun, zinc steel lands and quick coupler nozzle fitting. QC nozzle tips, 0-degree, 25-degree, soap and rotary turbo nozzles for desired cleaning applications. 30 high-pressure hose. Functional, pressurized hose reel. 35 power cord featuring auto reset GFCI module. User-friendly swivel power cord release. Integrated 48 ounces detergent tank for easy detergent applications. Onboard storage for easy setup and accessory storage. Total stop system, TSS, automatically shuts off the power washer when trigger is not engaged to prolong the life of the pump. 1 year bumper to bumper. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.